Hi everyone. This week we're going to be talking about letter sounds and letter recognition, as well as producing letter-like shapes to convey meaning. Now, all of these things are important because they're the building blocks for helping the kids learn how to read. So one of the first things that you can do to help them with letter recognition is if you have one of the grocery store circulars at home, whatever it is, you can, this is another opportunity for them to use their scissor skills. You just want to have them cut out capital letters and lowercase letters and then match them. So you can have them look here and see like, okay, fine, let's find an A. So then you take it and you'd have them cut out a letter A. Now you can have them match it with a lowercase, you could have them just go in alphabetical order, whatever you'd like, but that was just a fun way that will help them. It's like a little treasure hunt if they can find the different letters, as well as, again, using those fine motor skills that they'll need to help with writing. Also, another great thing you can do with letter recognition is encourage them to do activities where they'll write, they might not know how to shape the letters exactly, but at least writing something that looks letter-like or using a symbol that conveys meaning for them. So one of the things that we like to have the kids do is draw a picture of their family and then label it. We don't tell them how to spell anything, we have them try and sound it out if they can, to the best ability that they can. So it can just be something really basic. So here, I will draw someone, and then I'm gonna label this. So this is my friend Kara. And you can talk to them about it. You can ask them about their picture, tell them, have them describe it to you, maybe talk about that person. But the whole thing is that you want them to be able to, even if it's just some scribbles, it doesn't matter. It's just getting them into that pattern to know that writing conveys meaning. And last, we've got forming, you can use some Play-Doh to form letter-like shapes. So these are just things that we print, they're just printables that we laminated. Again, you can have these things laminated at any teacher store. And you just get some Play-Doh, and you just want to work with the kids to fill out the letter. So this is something, again, it'll work their fine motor skills. It's also something that's more tactile and interesting for them. And then they'll just shape it into the letter that's in front of them. And again, it'll get them familiar with the letters. It's just another way to reinforce these letter shapes so that they become recognizable for them as they go about their day and as they get ready for kindergarten. So I hope that this was helpful for you. Got some fun ideas that you can try out at home. Bye everyone.